Today I have this announcement. I no longer sell my custom engines on eBay. So if you are interested in getting one of my custom engines, they will be available on my Facebook page. You can scroll down on the main page, go to the my posts. You might see a picture. Click on the picture and will redirect you to PayPal. From there you can safely and secure pay for the item. Now I will be cutting off whatever the fees and extra eBay is charging for the item. For example, this item I used to sell it for $50 on eBay, so I'm reducing the price of those fees, so it will be maybe $5 less. Now you can buy the same or similar item from another seller. He used to sell it for $55, and you can search for custom Timothy the Ghost engine, and you may be able to see and find out that the seller does have the same model for $55 plus taxes. So I'm just gonna charge you $45 for the item. Shipping for the US only. I will not ship internationally because my local post office said that shipping is $24 to ship one of these items to anywhere from South America, Europe, Australia, you know, all around the world. It said Canada. Canada, I think, is $12 on shipping. So if you are interested, and if you see the link, it will be posted on my Facebook page, Custom Trackmasters, or on this video. Just see the description below. You will find the link. If you don't see the link again, then the item is not available. So I have right now 10 units available. Those will be the only ones for before Christmas. So I will no longer produce any others or make another custom Timothy the Ghost engines until next year. So thanks for your business and have a good day. Bye.